right, welcome back this Independence Day weekend. We are spending all kinds of time with family.
Yeah, and our next guest has the perfect patriotic project you can enjoy with the kids.
Shane Henderson is the president of Metal Art of Wisconsin. Shane, tell us what we have.
Morning, Shane.
Well, we have a flag making workshop, and we're going to be making products like these.
These are beautiful.
Yes, these are some of our new products here. We're known for our flags that open up, called the Freedom Cabinet.
There we go.
But now we can put your family's name on them, and family photos and stuff like that.
I can think of a few other things you might could store in one of these too. Yeah,
Yep.
I like that.
Shane, while you guys have always had American flags, you're saying now you've broadened the ability to bring in the family crest, the family photo,
Correct.
onto the artwork as well?
Correct. So above and beyond patriotism, we're really promoting some family stuff here.
Awesome.
Family and the flag. Of course we love you,
That's
Shane.
right. These are our woodworking flags that we make by hand. And here, this is what we're teaching the kids to make wood flags. So they are sanding. We're going to make some big cutting boards today. We got some tung oil being rubbed on there. These guys are sanding it. We're going to prep them, glue them.
Nice.
And then back over here, Avery,
You're really good at that.
you want to spray
Yes.
that? You want to spray that?
Oh, let's see.
Yeah, so you will watch what happens here. Keep going. Keep spraying. See, it'll turn a color. This is the final
it's
product here.
Oh wow.
So this is
Is that like an acid wash? Or?
yeah. It's safe chemicals.
Yeah.
Safety first.
We got a young lady here with a bottle full of acid.
Okay, and then these are our foldable flags that we have as well that they're going to be making over there.
We don't baby kids in Wisconsin.
Yeah, no, we teach them to play with acid.
So, Shane, what we're talking about now is while you've always come, for example, with that gigantic, beautiful, which I have one in my office right upstairs, beautiful flag. Now you're inviting the whole family to come in. These are DIY projects. So
Yes, they're available on our website, freedomcabinet.com, and it comes with everything you need: safety glasses, rubber gloves, everything you need to do cutting boards. Acid wash flags.
On these.
How long does it take to make a project like this? I'm so sorry.
It's an afternoon of fun with your
Yeah.
kids. Or
This
your
is
dad.
great if you're like going off to a cabin or camping with your family.
Correct.
And you're going to sit around, and this is
Yeah.
a perfect kind of activity to
So
do.
I've got a woodworking shop. I do a little bit of that. I'm looking at this, and I don't know if I've ever cut anything as straight as this is cut. But when you buy this, it comes pre-cut, but you're going to assemble it.
It's
and-
pre-cut, comes with the glue, comes
Yeah.
with everything you need. It's a full DIY kit. So everyone in New York can do it in their apartment.
What
That's
a
awesome.
great way to get kids to understand they can work with their hands and,
Yeah, it's
amazing.
not a lot of shop class in schools anymore, so it's
Yeah.
okay to work with steel. Steel's awesome. Working with wood it's a craft.
Yeah.
I think we should promote it more.
Absolutely.
They have easy ones also. I just crafted.
Yeah, that's a good, that's a good system out there, right?
What inspired you to do this?
Well, these are the exact flags that started my business in my garage with my son when he was 10. Metal Art of Wisconsin's been going for 10 years. Fox viewers have been very supportive. But my son Justice and I have been killing it.
Yeah. No, you guys have. By the way, bringing crafting, patriotism, family together. What a great weekend for
Thank
you
you.
to introduce this. What a great project for families to.
And one more time, where can
purchase.
everybody find these DIY kits?
It's freedomcabinet.com.
All right. Shane, always
Hey,
great to
thanks a
see
lot.
you, man. Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Thanks, guys.
You got it.